నందు ఘనంగా మహిళా దినోత్సవాన్ని అంగరంగ వైభవంగా నిర్వహించిన స్కూల్ హెచ్ఎం సంపూర్ణ మేడంతో మాట్లాడే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాండి. మహిళలకు ఉన్నటువంటి సమస్యలు, అదేవిధంగా ఇప్పుడు మహిళలు పడుతున్న బాధలు, అదేవిధంగా మహిళలు అసలు సమాజంలో ఏ విధంగా ఒక పాత్రను వహిస్తున్నారనే దాని మీద సంపూర్ణ మేడంతో మాట్లాడే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. మేడం గారు చెప్పండి, ముందుగా మీకు మహిళా దినోత్సవం శుభాకాంక్షలు మేడం. మహిళలు ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న పరిస్థితుల్లో మహిళలు ఎలా ఉన్నారు, మహిళల పాత్ర ఏ విధంగా ఉందనే దాని మీద.
Good morning, one and all. First of all, I would like to greet and salute every woman of the society. Not only in the society, the women, those who are staying at home as a homemaker, and also all the women, those who are contributing a lot to the society and to the nation in the large. Women, the prominent role of women in the society, we cannot forget at any time, because they are the base for the creation. They are the co-creator. The women, every woman, she bears in the child in the womb for 9 months, and she gives the form. She brings out the child to the world. That means she is also the creator of the child. The new being is she is brought it to the world. So as the women, every woman in the society is playing as the prominent role of co-creator next to the God. She is the second creator of the humanity. Here we can take Indian history. When we analyze and evaluate the Indian history, we can see how the ladies, they have played the prominent role and the important role in the history of the independence, and also in the various fields of the society. We can take for the example Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai, as she is a lady and she alone and with her army, she was ready to, and she fought against the British. And also she became the dreadful dream for the British people. So not only Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai, and also today there are many women, they are the exemplary for other women, the whole human race. We can take Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa's service, as she has done the selfless service to the humanity, which till today all over the world she became very popular lady, and also she is the living saint. She led the very exemplary model for every woman of the society. And also there are many women, they contributed a lot in the field of education, science, research, communication, and the various fields. This is the right time, and also the world has given the beautiful opportunity to salute every woman and on the whole. Now we always think about the great personality of the women in the society, and also let us take first of all our women of our home, our mothers. Our mothers are the beautiful and the beloved person, the affectionate person. They are giving the life to the people and to us. And let us remember all their sacrifices. They wakes up in the morning, early in the morning, before sun rises. They wakes up, and also they do lot of sacrifices at home. They do the dedication, commitment, the zeal, and the enthusiasm what they have towards building up the family and also raising up the children. We cannot forget. It's something wonderful and marvelous. All the sacrificial service what the women are doing in the family is cannot measure. It's immeasurable. It's really a wonderful service every women are doing at home. And also our teachers in the schools and the institutions and various offices and companies, the women, they do lot of service at home, and again they come to the service place and they work with a lot of commitment and the zeal. And really it's a right time for me to salute all my teachers, because they do the wonderful and the noble service to our children, for the betterment of our children. See, they even though they undergo lot of hardships, trials and difficulties at home, but they don't bring all their problems in the school, but they are coming with a selfless heart and the generous heart. They wanted to desire and dream only for the betterment and the future to which shaped. That is the desire and the aspiration of every teacher of our school. Really, this is the right moment for me. With a grateful heart, I am here with a cheerful mind. I salute and I really honor all my teachers, those who are doing the selfless service in Vijayarani school, and also our teachers. And also there are many ladies in the schools. They are working as a teachers, and they wanted to shape and mold and guide the students, and in order to bring the good citizens in the society. Really, teachers, your service are selfless, and you are very very generous, and you are so volunteer in shaping the future. Really, teachers, I really salute you all for all your noble service. And also, this is a wonderful day and a wonderful time for me. It's a golden privilege for me to salute every woman at home who is doing lot of sacrifice, who is doing lot of generous work in the home, and making and building up the families. Really, you are all the real transformer. You are the people bringing lot of changes and the transformation in the home, in the society, and also the nation. Really, you are all blessed by God. I wish you all to be blessed abundantly by the graces of God, and also you should be filled with the good health of mind and body, and also you can have the long life and enjoyable life, and you all can be live longer, and you can do many service to your children, and also to the society, to our nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.
చిల్డ్రన్స్ సంబంధించి ఇప్పటి నుంచే మహిళలకు ఉన్న వాళ్ళ సమస్యల గురించి కానీ ఏ విధంగా అభివృద్ధి చెందాలి అనే దాని మీద చిల్డ్రన్స్ ఏ విధంగా సూచనలు సలహాలు
every teacher and every woman, they are learning a lot by the day-to-day experience. The experience and the life situation, it makes them as a best teacher I experience every time. Because now, for example, it's a time of corona, the pandemic. Even this pandemic, how to withstand, how to challenge the situation, how to protect our children, and how to make our children to be safeguarded from all the pandemic, and these all the things, the teachers, they really prepare themselves, and also they help the students to form themselves in that way. So every teacher is a learner every day, and also the teachers, they are putting lot of effort of bringing up the lot of progress in the children, and also they are dreaming only for the students' progress and the development of the children for tomorrow. So in that way, every teacher is the learner, and also she is putting lot of effort of making